Alleged leader of the One Don gang, Blackman Bryan, has professed his innocence, stating he has never been involved in any gang activities or ordered the murder of anyone. Mr. Bryan gave an unsworn statement during the One Don gang trial in the Home Circuit Court this afternoon. Details from Raquel Porter.
Blackman Bryan denied giving instructions for the extortion of businesses and transport operators in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The unsworn statement means he will not be cross-examined by the prosecution. Mr. Bryan's statement came after Chief Justice Brian Sykes ruled that 27 defendants have a case to answer in relation to being a member of a criminal organization. As for Mr. Bryan, the judge ruled that he has a case to answer to in relation to being a leader of a criminal organization. The judge also ruled that some of the defendants have a case to answer in relation to 5 of the 10 murders they are accused of committing. 5 of the homicides include 2 double murders, one of which involved arson. The prosecution abandoned 3 of the 5 other cases, while the judge upheld no case submissions for 2. A formal not guilty ruling was handed down against some of the defendants who were indicted in those matters, but they have not been freed as they still have other charges to answer to. An illegal possession of firearm and an illegal possession of ammunition charge against 2 defendants were also dismissed. The trial will resume on Wednesday when defense attorneys will continue to present their cases. Meanwhile, 3 defense attorneys have requested subpoenas to have the custody book at the Spanish Town Police Station and the prisoner's admission book at the Horizon Adult Remand Center for 2017 to 2019 presented in court as evidence. Esther Reed, Denise Hinson, and Abina Morris made the request prior to today's adjournment. 2 other attorneys, Zara Lewis and Venice Brown, indicated that they will be calling character witnesses. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.